Hello friends, welcome to Heal Stress. Today we will discuss about seven body chakra balancing. And seven chakras we already discussed in our last video. And today we will discuss how to balance them, and make our body energetic and work properly so that we feel healthy always. So we will discuss about these balancing of these seven chakras. There are so many ways to balance our seven chakras, and I will discuss some of these techniques. First technique is meditation. Using some simple meditation, you can also balance your seven chakras, seven body chakras, and there are seven mantras also to balance your body chakras. That I will discuss after some time. And next technique is stone therapy. Using some rocks and stones of related to these seven chakras, we can balance our body by using these seven stones. These seven stones, one way is to use massage therapy by placing them on our seven chakra locations and wait for half an hour, then remove them. Other technique is you can use the particular rock in your hand and chant that particular mantra of a particular chakra and balance this particular chakra. So these are two techniques. Other technique is using some attar or perfume or some essential oil which is available in market for these seven chakras and balance our body chakra. Other one is balancing of instruments. Some technical instruments are available which experts can use and do balancing of these seven chakras face to face. Other technique is distance therapy technique. By distance therapy, person is far away, but we use distance therapy technique and heal seven chakras of that person from distance and make these seven chakras balance. So this distance therapy I also use, and I also heal the persons. So you can contact me also or some other expert. So right now I will discuss about simple technique of mantras in meditation and balance these seven chakras. First of all, I discuss the balancing of these uh, body chakras. Number one, that I already discussed seven chakras name. Start from the Mooladhara chakra. Second is Swadhisthana chakra. Third is Manipurka chakra. Fourth is Anatha chakra. Fifth is Visuddhi chakra. Sixth is Ajna chakra. And seventh is Shahas chakra. So I will start with the first chakra, that is Mooladhara or root chakra. Its mantra is Lam. So we start with this mantra. There are two techniques. One is simply just sit in yoga posture and chant. I am chanting, you repeat it. Lam, 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 lam. This is the first chakra, root chakra or Mooladhara chakra. Chanting it for 2-3 minutes, it will balance your root chakra or Mooladhara chakra. The second chakra is Swadhisthana or sacral chakra. This is mantra of this is Vam, 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 vam. So this is your second chakra, sacral or swadhisthana chakra. By chanting this 2-3 minutes, we can balance it. Third chakra is your Manipurka or solar plexus. So balancing of this chakra, third chakra Manipurka or solar plexus, mantra for this is Ram. So we start with Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. By chanting this mantra, we can balance our solar plexus. Our fourth chakra is Anahata chakra. So we start with this mantra of this fourth chakra, Anahata chakra or heart chakra. Heart chakra mantra is Yam. By chanting Yam, we can balance this fourth heart chakra or Anahata chakra. So we start with Yam. Yam, 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 Yum, 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 yum. So by chanting this for 3-4 minutes, we can balance this heart chakra using this mantra Yam. Now fifth chakra is throat chakra or Visuddhi chakra. This fifth chakra, throat chakra, can be balanced using this mantra of throat chakra, that is Hum. So we start with the mantra. Ready? Hum, 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 hum. So chanting this for 3-4 minutes, we can balance throat chakra. Now sixth chakra, Ajna chakra or third eye chakra. We chant the mantra of third eye chakra, that is We can use it and balance our sixth chakra, third eye chakra. So start with this mantra. Um, 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 Using this six chakra mantra we can balance third eye chakra and make feel ourselves energetic and healthy. Last one or seventh chakra is Sahas chakra or crown chakra. We use this crown chakra mantra, that is Om. Om is very powerful mantra. By using this mantra, we can balance our all body chakras also. If we chant 4-5 minutes this seventh chakra Om, it will give us a lot of energy and make us very positive. So let's start with the seventh chakra, crown chakra Om. Om, 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 So by chanting this 7 chakra Om, we can balance crown chakra, and also we can balance our body and make us energetic. This is very powerful mantra Om. So you can do this for 10-20 minutes daily and make yourself balanced, healthy, and energetic. So use these 7 mantras for meditation and make you yourself very positive. So we stop this session here and meet with some more interesting topic next time. Kindly like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so that they can also use it and enjoy a healthy life. I wish you healthy life. Thank you very much. Good day.